Good evening. It is Friday, October 20th, and I am at Chestnut Knob Shelter, which is at an elevation of 4,409 feet. And this is a unique one because it's actually stone. I'm shooting into the sun, so I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this. But one of the things is fully enclosed with a door, which is very unique for this area. Usually they're three-sided and they're made of wood, the shelters are. But this over here was what I wanted to get on film. This is the view to the east, and it's just a great view. The sun is setting on the other side, and climbing up I wasn't too happy because I'm short on water. And I get to the shelter and somebody had left about a half-gallon of water sitting on the table, and all it needed was to be filtered. So that helps me out. I can actually eat a full dinner tonight. So it's going to be a decent Friday. I was going to say Good Friday, but it's not Good Friday. It's going to be a decent Friday. Here we are. We're in Virginia. It's Halloween. Come walk with me.